Hi guys, if your Samsung Voucher shows you this type of LC error code, it means the machine detects a possible water leak. So in this guide, you are going to learn how you can find the potential causes and then how you can fix it step by step. So on the Samsung washing machine, this type of LC code is triggered when the leak sensor at the bottom detects the moisture. So this can be an actual leak or sometimes it is just leftover water inside the base tray. So first of all, you just have to simply inspect the water inlet hoses, the drain hose and the connections at the back. So this is the back of the Samsung machine. So over here, you need to simply look for the loose fittings, any kind of cracks or any kind of dripping water. Now even a slow leak can activate the sensor. Afterwards, you just have to simply tilt the washer slightly or check underneath for any trapped water. So you can find the trapped water over here in any of these sections. If the water has collected in the base tray, the sensor will keep showing LC. So if there is water, you just have to simply let it dry and you can also wipe it out carefully. Now, sometimes using too much detergent or the wrong type can create the excess foam. So this foam can overflow internally and it can reach the leak sensor. So you can switch to the HE detergent and you can use the recommended amount only. If the error keeps coming back, the issue may be inside. So a loose internal hose, drain pump leak or worn seal can trigger the sensor repeatedly. At this point, inspection or the repair may be required. So thanks for watching.